Hi, this is Devanshu. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create professional resume using Canva. Let's begin. So once you have logged into Canva, there you will find this section of a resume. You can search it over here. So let's say if I search for resume. So once I click over it, you will find plenty of designs of a resume out there. You have to choose one design that you think that resonates with your profession. So let's say if you are a graphic designer, probably you or fashion, you are into fashion industry, you can choose something like this where a lot of graphic designs are there. If you are a marketer, probably I personally prefer simple yet elegant resume. So let's say in this case, let me choose this template from here, and in this video I'll later on be telling you how you can right away share the link of your resume. Means it would work as a web page for you. So instead of sharing the PDF copy or mailing them, you can right away share the link with them. So what do you need to do? So there you can see this is of a Chaya Devi. All right, so you want to edit anything, it is pretty simple thing to do this. You can delete this image, you can put your own image. So I'm going to use some random image from here that I'm going to show you for this demonstration. You want to edit anything, so go here and you can edit anything. So let's say this is a blogger, or this is a, let's say, marketing consultant. So whatever your designation is, put that here. Your phone number would be here, your address there. Now this is your email ID, and how you can put it in a different way that I'm going to tell you. So for instance, this is the email ID. Now I want to make it clickable in the PDF version, or when somebody is visiting my website, just click over it. Once you click over it, at the left hand side you will see there is an option. Okay, let me quickly do that. So you need to first ungroup this. Okay, once I have ungrouped this, choose it, and you will find this option to add a link. You need to ungroup it in this case is only where something has been grouped, otherwise you will be able to add it over here. So let's say was hello at the rate demo. So this is something random I am. So now this shall be clickable whenever somebody is going to. So link has been applied now. Likewise, you can enter link of your LinkedIn profile. So let me do that quickly. So for instance, I can put my link that I can show you, linkedin.com/in/it's Devanshu. Once done, so it should be a clickable link now. Likewise, you can add all other details. Just in case you want to copy the same format on the next page, you just copy this page, and you can see there are two pages, like two copies are there. Now from the second one you can remove all other elements that are absent here now, right? So since it would be just a repetition, I'm going to delete this. You can adjust it like this, and let's say you want to edit your work experience and you want to add some personal detail. So likewise you would be able to edit it quickly, add all the details, make it look appealing, set all your design in place, and this is how you can publish it. And by the way, you will get in template you will get a lot of designs, just in case you can explore like different design that resonates with your profession. And it is very simple to edit. Now I'm going to tell you how you download it, and of course I'm going to tell you how you can publish a website. So first we are going to see the website. So click over show more. Once you click over this icon, click over show more, and scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and there is this option called website. Now Canva would ask you what style you want, presentation or scrolling. I want to keep it scrolling, or classical navigation you can try. Now you can see this is the website. Now this is the link that you need to share with the people. So now this is this is this is the website, and if I click over this link, you can see the link is taking me to the LinkedIn, so which is a clickable link, and you would be able to see. So if I copy this website and show you in new tab, right, and here you can see this is the resume. So this is how you can share it with your recruiter, and all these details are visible over here. So this is how you are able to convert it into website. Let me quickly close this. You have this option to download it into PDF print. PDF standard would be fine. If you want to share it digitally only, click over download, you shall be able to download it. Now let me tell you how you can use a similar feature in a free subscription and a free Canva account to create a similar kind of link. So what steps you have to follow? So there you can see it is asking me to try Canva Pro, which means it is a free account. So go to extreme right at the top. So there you can see this is a sample resume, another template I have just loaded. You have to click over this icon. Once you click over here, there is an option at the top after download, which is share link. So from here you can copy this shareable link, and you can share it with anyone. You can share it with your employer, your prospective employer. So this is how you can see this is a proper link, and it would be visible to anyone. However, it won't be a scrollable kind of web page you won't be able to create. That feature is a part of Canva Premium. So just in case if you want to, what is one of the cons here, like this URL is pretty lengthy. So if you want to shorten it, you can use link shorteners such as Bitly. So if I go to this website, there I have just tried shortening one link. Here I can enter this, and there you can see here is a link ready. So what I can do, if I remove it, and even if okay, so let me paste this link here, and it shall redirect to the longer URL. And there you can see this is the resume which is ready now. So these were some of the simple ways to create and share your resume online with your prospective employer, and you can make all the customization. You can do all the customization with all these free or premium templates. So I hope you like this video. To get updates on more such videos and updates on digital marketing content, social media marketing content that I will be uploading in near future, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.